First, you'll see an overview of vital driving and download data, like remaining driving time this week, or when the next rest time should start. Additionally, each panel has an explanation of why the respective data is important to track to comply with EU regulations. Under the panels, you can also see the last and next download dates, as well as the driver card's expiration date. Further below are the latest infringements and their severity levels. Underneath, you can find more details to learn and avoid violations in the future. For a full infringement history, click here and select the desired time period. Moving on to the next section, the activity graph. Here, you can check driving activities week by week or day by day. It's an easy way to see how much time was spent driving, working, or resting, as well as when each activity or any infringements occurred. By clicking on it, you can zoom in on the graph, leave comments on infringements, or get a detailed written activity list. Last but not least, there's the work hour tracking section, where drivers can follow the time worked per week or day. It's very useful for calculating the average weekly working time if there are country regulations that require compliance.